Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view full message headers in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Give it a moment to load all your emails and folders so everything is ready to go. Once your inbox is fully loaded, it's time to locate the specific email you want to examine. Navigate to your inbox pane on the left side of the screen where all your emails and folders are displayed. Scroll through your messages until you find the email whose full message headers you need to view. This is important because message headers contain detailed information about the email's journey, including sender authentication details, routing information, and timestamps that can help you verify the legitimacy of an email or troubleshoot delivery issues. Now, here's a crucial step. You need to double-click on the email to open it in a separate window. This action is necessary because it unlocks additional email options and tools that aren't available when you simply preview the message in your inbox. Opening the email in its own window gives you access to more advanced features and settings. After the email opens in a new window, direct your attention to the top part of your screen. You'll see several tabs there, and you need to locate and click on the File tab. This tab contains various options related to the current email's properties and settings. From the menu that appears after clicking File, look for and click on the Properties option. This will open a new dialog box specifically for that email's properties. The Properties window contains detailed technical information about the message. In the Email Properties window that appears, scroll down to the very bottom. There you'll see a section labeled Internet Headers. This section displays the complete message header information, including all the technical routing data, server information, and authentication details that the email passed through on its way to your inbox. And that's it. You've successfully accessed the full message headers in Outlook, giving you complete visibility into the email's technical details. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.